Hello, welcome back to my channel Prosperity. This is John. Yeah, in this today's video, I'm gonna explain you something better and better on this channel. So today's video's topic is about Robinhood. Like, what is Robinhood? What is the website? How it works? How it makes sense? Why I'm gonna make this video? Okay, so this type of interface you will see when you search about Robinhood. It's a commission-based and trading stock, website. Unlimited deposit boost. So I am just going to explain you each and everything investing, build your portfolio starting with just $1. Like you can say it's a website that makes you availability that makes you mature to make some money by trading crypto, derived right and without commission fees. Like there's no commission fee. You can start with that was $1, right? There are multiple, cryptocurrencies accepted like BTC, Doge, and Ethereum, whatever. So there are multiple programs they can offer you when you will start the, that structure with them. So become a better investor on the go right in the app. So right now you will see the sign up option at the end of the website, like the bottom side. Join a new session, like, and there are a lot of social media platforms and about website. So what is it? This is just so now what they are offering to us, they are offering multiple type of thing, investment, crypto requirement, sorry, each and everything. Like I'm gonna explain you in the end of the video. So now we are on the the investment way. So stocks and ETFs have market movements day or night. Like there's only way to make money by investment on the website. Like ETFs get diversified, and many other things, margin increase, buying power, crypto rate into Bitcoin. Like actually you can say that this website will make you happy by the trading side. Yeah, if you have any kind of interest, but now that time I'm gonna give you a disclaimer. You do not invest your money by just asking about that John is speaking that. So that's why I'm gonna explain. I'm gonna invest on it as well. No, make some more clarification and justification. Then after multiple verification, you can go to level up with Robinhood Gold 5% APY. So there are just you can say the way where you can make money by the investment what they are offering. So when you click on to get started, you will see this kind of interface. Create your login. First of all, you have to select your region where you are, or United Kingdom or UK, and you can save the name, first name and last name, email and password, and then continue to make your account. It should be government identified. Like if you have like a security pin, so then like you can create account here. Okay, now the next one is crypto, right? So when you click on crypto, trade crypto at the lowest cost on average on Robinhood website, like that will give you much, that margin, much leverage. Okay, like $100, $100, $10, $10,000, like you can see. There are a lot of other like Coinbase and Coin Market, C Market, but Robinhood is also giving you a lot of things like transfers and sign receives, crypto advanced trading tools, custom price alerts, advanced alerts, each and everything like charts. You can say trading view. So, according to me, we don't lend your crypto on leverage. You can say 24 hours and 7 customer support, industry leading security, cold storage for vast majority of our customers' clients, crime insurance against theft and cyber security. You have got some question like trade crypto with lowest cost on this platform, right? So this is just can say the way you can make money by investment by crypto. Now retirement, as you know, in my last videos I just made about it like retirement content. So there are 3% retirement boost your annual contribution with Robinhood Gold. Like it will, you can say retirement like platform like tax advantages and account protection, SIPC coverage up to 500k. Like so options are the flexibility, and you could have an IRA on your top 401k. So this is it. Robinhood also has a retirement, you can say, program. Now we are directly looking forward to the fourth one. What they offer, like the last one, is options. I think it's option trading. Yeah, options trading on Robinhood. You can say option trading like advanced chart, fine tune your trading strategy, strategy builder, plan build, and execute strategy. Watch this goes options trading. Like it's your heart want for the long side trade, for the we can say the buy side and the short side trade. No contract fee, no commission. Commission fee is zero and pre-contact zero. You can say all accounts that doesn't like charge any fee for you, but some are at. So it's like the account holders in account. I can say account fluctualities, account facilities. So at the end, I'm just tell you one thing, bro, and sis and my whole community. Just subscribe the channel and do one thing. Come to this website and let's see what they happen in the next something. Subscribe prosperity and we will back to the video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.